Not too long ago, I was out and I actually was asked for a business card. And guys, could you believe I never have a business card when I really need it? So basically, my business cards will run out from my purse and I will always forget to replenish. All right. I came across digital business card online and I was like, wow, this is probably the best thing ever. I could always have it in my phone and WhatsApp to whoever would ask me for a business card. Okay, so today I would like to show you how I have created this little business card right here in Canva for free and how you can easily create the same business card, digital business card as well. Okay, so now let us get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so I need to show you proof that these digital business cards are selling. Okay, so here we have one here and that was sold 59 times in the past 2 years. Okay, so the point is it will sell eventually, but the point is it is selling, and that is what we have to focus on. And you see how simple this one is. We have another one here, and this one is so simple. It is very nice. It targets real estate agents, and it was sold 77 times in the past year and 2 times in the past 7 days, guys. See how simple this one is? It's very simple. Then we have another one here. This one is actually a bundle that's been sold for $37. All right. Okay, so we have, it was sold 92 times in the past few months. This was only created this year, July of this year, and it was sold 5 times in the past 7 days, guys. It's a bundle. Oh, so this one is so perfect for real estate agents. Okay, and let us look at this one here. It is being sold for $10 and it was sold 45 times. I'm not sure. We don't have a timeline. We don't know when this one was created exactly, but it was sold 45 times and 4 times in the past 7 days. Right? Look at how simple this one is. And of course, I would like to show you Pinterest. Yes, we do have quite a few being sold on Pinterest right here. And as you can see, we have a few Etsy. We do have a lot of personal business digital cards being sold right here. If we go into shop, let us see what we find. Okay, so we have a lot of Etsy at the top. Okay, we have Creative Market. We have quite a few, right? But as you can see, there is a demand for business digital cards because trust me guys, this is a pretty good way of constantly having this on your phone and simply send it to someone, WhatsApp it to someone, and they can easily use that. Okay guys, I am going to show you how you can use Canva to create a digital business card. Okay, so we will go into search and search for digital business card. Okay, and see what Canva brings up. So we have a few options here. So it's best that we select one to make our own design. Okay, and what we can do here is make some changes to this. Although this is nice, it's fine. I would like to make some changes to this. Okay, first of all, I will go blank. So we didn't get the option to start with a blank template, so I will just create something from scratch. So since we didn't get the option to start with a blank page, I think that it is best for me to create something from scratch, right? I think it's best to create my own design from scratch. All right, starting from basic. Okay, so let us get into it. I love to work with frames, and I will be creating a digital business card, let's say for my jewelry business, I think. Let us see how this goes. All right, so let us go into elements, and I love frames, so let's go into frames. And of course we need a circle, and the circle is where we'll be putting the picture of whatever. It could be ourselves or whatever item we decide to use. Okay, I love to create stuff that look a bit different. All right, so let us go into photos. Okay, we're gonna look for something simple jewelry, and we'll put it here. And for here, we will look, let's say, let us use a picture of someone. So we'll use her picture right here. Okay, it is showing off jewelry, right? So we could use something like this or that, but it doesn't matter. This make it looks like it looks like the owner. But anyway, let's get to it. And let us look for since the picture it has gray and these kind of colors, let us look for white and gray background. Okay, I think I like this a little bit. It's not really gray, is it? Let us look for white textured background. I think something like this would work perfectly. And as you guys know, I love to use my frames, but this time I'll just use this as is. Let's push this to the back. Okay, and I would like to soften this a bit, like so. I think this is perfect. I'm trying to create a very clean and minimalistic look. I think the picture, it really pops, but I prefer to use a picture that's a little cleaner. So let us look for a picture of a woman with a white background. So a picture of a woman in jewelry with a white background, or wearing jewelry, I should say, with a white background, right? I'm not getting what I want, so I will just stick with this, all right? So next, what we will insert is the name of the store. So we'll use the name Sweet Chain Shop, but since this is a jewelry store, we want to make it look a bit classy, so let us use a script font for this. And now we will insert the other information, the rest of the information, such as number. So let us go into Element and look for, you know, little phone icons and so forth, and email icons. So we'll look for this email. Okay, so we'll drag and place. And I will change the color to something that is actually on here. So we'll use a gray. And so we have mail and phone. And I will now insert all the information, okay? Okay guys, I also forgot to insert the website, so let us insert website. So we have our email or phone, our address or location of the shop, and we also have our website. Okay, so now what I want us to do is include our social links at the bottom. So let us insert Instagram. So we can insert Instagram here, and of course, let's change the color to match everything. Matchy matchy. Okay. And should we put Facebook? Okay, and we can put Facebook right here. Goody. Okay, so we can use Facebook as well, and of course change the color to match. First I want to reorder this, so I will bring this up a bit. Okay, so we have that here. I think everything is looking pretty good. I'm not done as yet. I would like to add one more thing here. We can insert a logo if you like, right? So instead of putting a face here, we can put a logo. Just ignore the name of the logo, please. And I like to see a pop of color. So since we have this color in the logo, let's change the color here to something that is similar in the logo. Okay, but we need to make this a tad bit darker because it's too light. Okay, right. So we have that, and I would like to add something else, something that probably says or follow us on social media. Let's duplicate this, and we can say follow us on social media or follow us here. And there we have it, something nice and simple that you can actually use for your business. Of course, you can add a pop of color here, and I like color. Okay, so even though I'm using the gray and the white, and so let us go into elements and use a shape. So you can use the shape. You know what? Let us spice it up. So let us use this shape here, the same on the top. Double click and you bring this to the bottom, and we'll add our pop of color there. So what we'll do is simply select the color here and simply, see which color looks the best. You can add the yellow if we like. You can position this to the back. All right, guys, this turned out to be a mistake by putting the yellow to the back of the overlay here, but it looks perfect. I think it looked really good. It's looking really nice. And I think we can change the color here to this color. Yeah, just to, give us that pop that we are looking for. Put this to the back and see how it looks. No, I think I like it at the back much better. So let's put it at the back here. And we have a winner. And of course, so this is the final look of your digital template. And all you have to do is go into share and download this as a PDF. Okay. I would like to add one more thing to this. Okay, guys, you'll download as a PNG, guys. But I would like to add one more thing to this. You can add links. So you can link this. You can link your website. You can link your number. You can link your location. And you can send that as a PDF file, right? So you can send it as a PDF standard, and your whoever you send it to will be able to click on it and find your links, your social media platforms, or your website almost instantly. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's a very short tutorial. And please, if you did enjoy it, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Guys, I'm trying to grow. I would like you guys to hang out with me here in this video, and it will show you how I have created a digital invitation in Canva for free. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys enjoy it.